Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in sunny Margate, Florida. By the way, that is our phone number if you have questions. Our website will be on the bottom of this YouTube video. Now, what are we doing a review of today? Well, we got something new. It's something we've been doing a lot of, but not quite the same. So what was Chris talking about? Well, what do we have here? We have the Bak Flip MX4 on the Ram with a multi-function tailgate that has the factory brackets in the corner. Now, as you know, we have 4 or 5 other videos where we sell you the brackets and there's some modifications you do the rails to make it all fit. Now, this one requires no modifications. That's right. Bak Industries said, hey, let's actually make a cover that works with those brackets. Wow, it only took 2 years. I love you back, but come on, it took you a while. Which we didn't mind because we figured it out anyways. But what do we got here? Well, first, before we go in here, I'll show you that everything works. So first you want to see, does your multi-function tailgate work with this cover? Yes, as you can see, it works just fine with that. So with the new triple seal here, works just perfect with this. Now, of course, you want to use it the other way, not a problem as well. Now, what do we have here? We have a left and right mechanism for opening the cover. Why is that good? If you're standing on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open this up with no problem. Now, if you look over here, you got a nice triple seal. Why is that better? Well, it keeps more water out. Now, speaking of water, these are not waterproof covers. None of them are. If anyone's saying, I'm selling you a waterproof cover, they're misinformed or just not telling you the truth. This one here does a good job for water. And if you go to the manufacturer website, it's a weather-resistant cover. It does a very good job because it has really good seals here. And if you look real close here, there's a drainage system. If water was to get past this seal, it would catch it and drain it outside the vehicle. So that, again, you got multiple things keeping the water out. Now, you can drive with this partially open. If you look over here, you basically just lock these in this little groove here, and this holds it so the wind doesn't close it while you're driving. Now, most tri-fold covers fold 2 times and stop just like this one. But this one is not a 2-fold cover. This is a 3-fold cover. Comes all the way up. Now, you can't touch the window here because if you look closely, there's all kinds of protections here. Now, this is nice because it doesn't cover your third brake light. So if you have cameras up there, it won't cover your cameras. Now, let's get into the part that most people are interested in. This here has the multi-function brackets in here, which you can't really see. You might be able to see a little bit over there. Basically what they have done, they have cut the rail short, the bottom part, but they made the top part longer, which, by the way, was a modification we did. So now on here, they still keep the factory bracket, and it's got this little cover here. And basically, so the water draining out up here catches it and drains it through the hole there. So it's a new way of doing the drainage system. So this here is going to do a really good job for water. Now, again, this closes up nice and easy. This can use as a handle. Okay, now if you look real close here, this has got a really nice texture finish on here. I do like this a lot. I think it looks good. On the newer models, they seem to put a little bit more black in it because the other ones are a little grayer. This one's more black, so I think it matches the truck better. Now, if you like what you see here, we can get this for you. You can call the store. I'm going to put a link for this right to the website. So you're like, oh, I want to see what the price is and shipping and all that stuff. It goes right to the website and have all the information for you. Or you can just call us at the store. You can ask for John, our general manager, who's behind the camera. You can ask for Dave, Joel, myself, Chris. Any of us can help you. No one works on commission, by the way. So if you like this, we can get it for you. We ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come to the store and have it installed by us. Now, if we install it for you, you're going to get a 1-year labor guarantee. It covers all your labor. Now, the manufacturer gives you a 5-year warranty on this, which, by the way, is really good. Now, there's a promotion going on at this time that doubles the warranty if we install it for you. Like, for example, this guy drove here. He's getting the double the warranty. So he gets another 5 years on top of his 5 years. He's getting 10-year warranty. Damn, that's a great warranty. You can't beat that. And this is so strong. This holds 400 pounds. Now that's evenly distributed, so, but still, that's really good because a lot of covers hold 100, 200, 300. This holds 400. All in all, this is a great setup. We can help you with it. If you purchase it and we ship it to you and you have questions on the install, we can walk you through. By the way, Bak Industries, thank you for not including the instructions on this new setup. Luckily, we've been doing this 20 years, and but instead of us getting right into it, we had to figure out where all the things went. So it'd be nice if you include that into there. And of course, if someone buys this from them, they get this covered without the instructions, give us a call. We'll tell you what to do. It's just It's not that hard once someone shows you or tells you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Ram 1500 multifunction tailgate on 5th generation with a Bak Flip MX4. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe. We really do appreciate that. Thank you.